Yesterday I saw a guy spell all his Scrabble letters on the road. I asked him, what's the word on the street? You're welcome. Serving in the Army in 2012, Jeremy met Ashley. They got married, had baby Sam. Jeremy got medically released from the Army, and this brings us up to today. Okay, welcome back. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. So a lot of people are probably wondering, how much money does a video that gets 1 million views make? So recently we had a video hit 1 million views. So I'm going to let you know how much that video made today. So on top of that, I'm also going to list my top 10 earning videos and be completely transparent with you. On another note, the fire's going in here and it's completely boiling hot in here because I think it's not even below zero outside and it feels like it's about 35 Celsius in here.
I'm here with the winner, Derek Lewis. Derek, why'd you take your pants off?
My balls was hot.
I understand.
All right, so getting into our top 10 earning videos, I'm going to just get right into it. So number 10 is why we're selling our off-grid homestead. That there was back at the start of this year. That had 88,000 views, and it was about 17 minutes long, and Ashley was explaining why we were thinking of selling our place. We put it for sale. We didn't end up selling it. We're still here, and we're not selling it. Thank God we didn't. So that one made $323.47 Canadian. The next one, also in 2020. This one had 93,000 views, working on our off-grid kitchen. That's when we started to put the boards up on the kitchen, and that was a 10-minute, 24-second video, and that one also made $323 Canadian, almost identical to the last one. So you asked me tomorrow, maybe that's number 9, the other one's number 10, 10 to 9, whatever. This one actually surprised me. It's number 8, and it is a review. It's for the New Air portable mini dryer. I don't think this dryer is even available anymore. I think they might have put out another one yet because I had a bunch of people that were commenting on it, looking for it, and things like that. And the reason, like I said, some videos where this is about an appliance, we probably got this here video flooded with appliance videos and things like that. So you can make more money depending on what you're talking about. Food, appliances, they're going to put more food things like that, so you can get more money depending on what you're talking about, right? Because this here video only has 52,000 views. It's almost half the other 2 videos there, but because those appliances thing, you're going to get more ads like that on it. So it focuses in on what they can put on it. So that one there made $324 with almost half the views in number 9 and 10. So that's something to take into account. And you know what else about that? That is a 3-minute and 40-second video. So it's kind of going against some of the stuff I told you at the start, where the longer videos make more money for us, like if they're over 10 minutes. This one here, we can't even put more ads in it because it's only 3 minutes, 40 seconds long, and it's in the top 10 of our videos made. All right, so number 7 legitimately did surprise me. I didn't realize that 3-minute video did better than those other couple. So some of these are surprising. I'm just going through these right at this time. I'm just going through these right now too. I haven't gone through these before I started to do this. So number 6 is one from, I think, like 2 years ago. It's the off-grid pallet deck. And what it is we just laid down pallets in front of our trailer and then we put plywood on it. So I'm assuming people were probably hoping to show up and see like us build like a nice pallet deck, which at the time I didn't really think that that's probably what they were going to show up but at the time I was just throwing down pallets and building a pallet deck for the front of our trailer. I didn't think that people were probably actually hoping to see like some nice pallet deck, because at the time, which is a couple years ago, a whole bunch of people are building pallet projects that turn out beautifully, so they probably showed up to see that, and I'm just throwing pallets down. It ended up being a nice little spot and get us out of the mud, but anyways, what did it make? It made $337, and that's with 51,000 views. So that one there actually has just slightly less than the portable mini dryer, but it made more money, and I honestly don't even know why. So I can't even figure out all of these things, but there you go on that one. And that one is a 10-minute video. So that one would have had more ads than the 3-minute one about the dryer. So the dryer one still is pretty impressive. I mean, $300, like that's not like some crazy amount of money, $300 on a video, right? Especially, like, it's not like $300 is getting rich off these or anything. The next one is Off-Grid Vlog Season 2 Day question. We had some land cleared. This one here at 114,000 views, and it's 13 minutes long. It made $402. All right, going into the top 5. This video is titled Working on Stuff. 6 minutes and 40 seconds long, so it's a shorter one. It's obviously because of the views, and it made $424. We were working on our thing outside. We were working on our hot water tank outside, and that one there had a good thumbnail. So that one there was titled Working on Stuff. Obviously people were clicking on it for the thumbnail because it was the summer and Ashley was wearing leopard pants. All right, number 4 is 24 by 24 simple cabin plan. So this one here is over 2 years old, or somewhere around 2 years old, and I'm showing the plans for what we were going to build. I actually never ended up using those plans. We did build a 24 by 24, added on to it. Now it's a 24 by 40 cabin. If you don't know, that's what we do here. We're building it and we got a lot more to do. So if you're new here and you want to subscribe, you can go ahead and do that. This video here is our first one that made us $1,000. So it made us $1,082.70 Canadian. It had 240,000 views. It was 5 minutes and 30 seconds long. So I think this one here, why this one did so well, only being 5 minutes long, it had over 200,000 views and only 5 minutes long. But I think because it's cabin plans, you know, you could get advertisers to show up where you can't throw in more ads because it's not over 10 minutes. But because it's everybody's showing up to see the plans, and then if they wanted those plans, they could purchase them below. I had a link to the guy where I got mine so you could buy those plans. So what it was, I think they could actually see the plans. So that's probably why they're watching the whole thing. So the retention on that video is very, very good, right? So number 3, this video actually just went up like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And it's when we started doing the pine on the ceiling. Obviously the thumbnail brought a bunch of people in. And because that thumbnail brought people in, and because our thumbnail actually shows what's in the video, you don't click on it and then what's in the thumbnail is not in it. So this one here, obviously the thumbnail brought a lot of people in, and what the thumbnail shows also is in the video. So because it's in the video, it's a good enticing thumbnail to bring them in, and then you're actually doing the exact same thing that's in the thumbnail. So when you do it, choosing the best thumbnail you can for that particular video, and then having that delivered in the video, the same thing, that works. So choosing the best one, that's a little tip there for anybody, that if you can pick the best thumbnail and it's actually in the video, this here is proof that it works. This had 342,000 views, higher than normal for us because we've only been on for a couple of years and we're still growing. And it's made $1,651. So that was a good video. And that was 14 minutes and 40 seconds long. So that would go against us if I had put a thumbnail enticing people to click, but it was clickbait and not actually in the video, right? So being a video that brings people in and then it delivered, we were able to make lots of money on it because they watched the whole video. If I had had a thumbnail to bring people in and then I don't deliver in the video, then they're going to be gone in 2 seconds. They'll skim through it. They don't see it anywhere in the video. They're gone, right? So it's not going to work having a good thumbnail if it's not in the video, right? Second best earning video is 24 by 24 simple cabin full tour. This one here is 18 minutes long, and it made us $2,455. This video is about 18 months old, so that's over an 18-month span that it made that money. All of these are over however many months they've been up, kind of thing, that it's earned that. And that had 355,000 views, almost $2,500 Canadian in about 18 months. And finally, the number 1 video, which is over the million views. So this one has 1,079,000 views currently at the moment that I'm saying this, and currently we have 32,000 subscribers, so all that matters. So YouTube really pushed this video and suggested it and things like that, so that all has to come into account with the thumbnail and the title, so it gets suggested. Obviously this one did, and people watched it. So this one here made us $5,578. We put it up actually in 2020. So this one actually really helped our channel grow. We started 2020 under 20,000, and now we're over 30,000 a few months in to 2020. So as you can see in these top 10s, we have a few that are actually in 2020, so it's helped us grow some more too by having these. And anyways, that video, yeah, made us $5,000, but not to get off on a rabbit trail here, but that video made us $5,578 in about 2.5 months with over 1 million views. And the watch time of it, because that's a 38-minute video, is over 150,000 hours of watch time. So it's getting watched. It's because it's the whole build, and you can watch the whole build time-lapsed, and it's the time-lapse video. They built their own home time-lapse extended version. That's the video. So it goes on for 38 minutes, and most people watch the whole thing because it's you can sit down for a half hour and watch it through and just watch it right from the post right to the finish up to that point. Now I'm going to probably add to that, put another one out once we get the interior done. I'll do more tours, so I'll give updated tours, I'll give updated time lapse, things like that as we go when it seems to make sense, because those videos help us reach other people so they can follow us to follow along our journey as we build our homestead from the ground up. It helps bring people in to watch our story and do all the other projects we do too, right? So videos like that not only help you make some more money, they also help you reach more people. So it's a win-win, because then when you bring more people in, you can make more money off your other videos that you put out for your during your regular content too. So it's perfect. It's a win-win, right? So there you go. There's the one that made $1 million. And as you can see in that top 10, not all of those aren't our top 10 watch videos either. There's more views on other videos. Some of them are in there, of course, but they're not necessarily the top 10 of views. Even though those are the top 10 earners, and some of them are in the top 10 of views, not all of them are. So it's not just about the views every time. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm done talking.